Hey there, Fletcher from All Things Overlanding here, and today I wanted to tell you about some cool new accessories I picked up for my Starlink Mini. I found this company called Parts for Star, aka Parts for Starlink, and they have a ton of really cool stuff on there, stuff that I'd never seen before with any other companies that I've seen. So if you are looking for stuff to, make your Starlink Mini even better, Parts for Star has it, and I wanted to show you some of these things so you were aware of them. So if you want to hear more about the backpack, the hardwire kit, and the mounts for the Starlink Mini that are all pretty reasonably priced too, if I'm being honest, stay tuned to see those in action.
Understand where it came from, but you got it, my got it. It began in the land of the sandstorm. I fought it, though I wanted everything to do with what you give to me. Loosening my grip.
All right, guys, so as you can see, this is my Starlink Mini. I've got my Peak Dew dedicated battery on it, which I love this thing, and I'll put a card in the top right corner to this if you want to check that out, but I highly recommend this thing. I love it because it just gives me a way to keep the thing powered without having to run any cords or anything like that. But if you wanted to hardwire it, again, I'm going to show you today some products that are going to help with that. So this is the dedicated, custom-built Starlink Mini lockable carrying backpack. Now this thing is awesome. It's a hard shell on the front here. It's water resistant. I wouldn't submerge it necessarily, but if it's raining or whatever outside, you don't have to worry about it. It's also good for traveling. And why I say that is it's actually lockable. So it's got a lock on the side here, where basically what you do is zip your Starlink shut, and then these zippers, actually kind of similar to luggage, just sort of lock in here, just like that. And then that is how it's lockable. And then you can set your own code in there. And then when you pop the little pop, then that unlocks your zippers, and then you can get into the backpack. So let's take a look at some of the features here. We'll start on the outside. So of course it has this really heavy duty, heavy plastic handle on the top, so you can just sort of sling it around if you want to with that. On the back here, of course, you've got your normal sort of backpack straps, and these things are actually super comfortable. It's really nice to carry things around. Now, you've got a strap here that you could use to put this over, say, like a luggage, like one of those extendable handle luggage pieces. So if you're carrying this through an airport, you could do that with that strap there. And then you've got a small little pocket back here for, say, cords or things like that. If you had charging cords or any extra stuff that you wanted to put in there, you could put it below this padding in the back of the backpack. So now opening it up here, this is what I like about this thing, is it's really super cool. So these things are Velcroable, but they keep it from just expanding all the way out. But if you want to expand it all the way out, you can undo the Velcro just like this, and then you could open the thing all the way flat, just like that. So now you've got this strap over here on the left side that you could use to put stuff in here. I would say probably I would use this for like clothes and stuff, because this bag is big enough and has enough capacity that I could use this as a backpack. So if I was going somewhere and I wanted to take the Starlink Mini with me, just slides right down there like that. And then it's got this strap that goes over the top that holds it in place. I keep my Starlink right there. You've got room for other accessories, charging cables, things like that. So you've got all this storage in here for things like your mounts that you could put in there. You've got this as the hard wiring kit that I'm going to show you. So again, you've got plenty of room in here with your Starlink, with your mounts and things. And then you've still got this whole front area with this other zipper pocket here. So that is the backpack. As you can see, super, super heavy duty, really nice. Great way to carry your Starlink and make it comfortable and easy to move around. All right, so next we're talking about this mount. And you're probably wondering, what is this thing for, right? Well, this thing is actually a mount that is designed exactly for the Starlink Mini. Now, because I have that battery on, I don't have the original tripod sort of mount that goes on the Starlink, but if you did have that, this thing actually fits in there, and there's sort of a screw mount in there that will go into that hole there. So you can actually put this right in, it fits in that hole for your Starlink tripod, and then you can turn that screw mount into here, and then this holds it, but then this has the 1/4-20 mount that allows you to attach it to the ram arm style ball mount. Now the cool thing about this is it has dual ball mounts, right? So you can adjust this thing quite a bit. You loosen this up in the middle, and then that allows you to adjust your Starlink, which would be on this side. And it allows you to move the clamp arm here too, right? So as you loosen this up, you could attach this to like a ladder for your rooftop tent. You could attach this to a crossbar for your rooftop tent. You could attach this to pretty much anything. You could attach it to the side of a tripod. You could attach it to a tree limb. So wherever you want to hook up your Starlink Mini, you basically just put this arm clamp around it, you get it tightened down, you tighten down this one thing, and then that's going to lock both of these arms into place. And I mean, it is really sturdy. Like, these things do not move. Like, it's really super sturdy. And this thing's about 30 bucks, which is really, really fair, I think, for a dedicated RAM style arm mount for your Starlink Mini. So that's why I got that, because I plan to, at camp, probably attach this to like my rooftop tent itself, or possibly the ladder for my rooftop tent, and use that to then get the adjustment and the optimization that I need to get it lined up so that my Starlink is facing the right direction and I've got good connection. Now this last piece, so I'm using that Peak Dew battery for now because I'm not hardwiring it. I'm using it portably. That's the benefit of the backpack. Eventually though, I may go to an enclosed style like cap on the rear of my truck. Now when that happens, that's when this thing is going to come in handy. So this is a little bit of future proofing for me, but this is the hardwire kit. So the beautiful thing about this is it has a built-in DC to DC converter, and essentially what you're going to do is you're going to wire this into your battery, right? So your backup battery, my house battery, I'm going to wire this straight into it, and then it's got that proprietary Starlink barrel plug on the end there, so that then you can just plug it in. So again, my thinking is when I get the cap for my truck, I'm going to wire this thing in, I'm going to mount this on the side in my built-ins, I'm going to hardwire it to the battery, my dual battery setup, and then this cord is going to go up to the roof, and then either the cord itself is going to maybe be out, and maybe I'll put something over this end piece to kind of protect it. And then when I want to use the Starlink, I'll pop it out of the backpack and I will, throw it on the arm mount and I will plug this in. Or alternatively, I might get a 24/7 mount for the Starlink Mini that's like a waterproof mount. They make some of those, and I may permanently mount it to the roof of my rooftop tent and just hardwire it like this and leave it plugged in all the time. So that is a pretty cool option that they've got that I haven't really seen anywhere else, but I love the idea of being able to hardwire it. If you've got an RV, if you, again, have a cap type setup, if you have something where you could leave the Starlink on all the time, this thing makes it super simple, right? 2 wires to positive and negative, and then plug this thing into it, and you've got 24/7 power coming from your power bank or your dual battery setup to your Starlink Mini. All right, guys, so as you saw, that was the backpack from Parts for Star, plus the hardwire kit, plus the mounts. Some of these things are 20, 30 bucks. The backpack itself is pretty reasonably priced, so I'll put links to all this stuff in the description down below, plus a coupon code to save you some money on it if you are interested in these things. But no pressure, right? I just wanted to share these products with you guys because I thought they were pretty cool, and I was excited to pick them up because now my Starlink experience got better. I was throwing this thing in a bin before and kind of worried about damaging it or hurting it, and I just didn't have a really good way to carry it. So I'm really excited about the backpack, and then also the hardwire kit. Eventually, I may put the thing in a mount on the truck and just kind of keep it, or I may have that sort of hardwire kit hooked up where I can just plug the plug into the thing when I want to mount it and use one of those ram arm style mounts to angle it and optimize it. So anyways, again, just wanted to share that stuff with you. So check the links in the description below if you want to pick some up for yourself. Of course, below this video is a join button, which is just kind of a passive way to support the channel, get you early access to the videos and some other perks. So if that sounds good, check that out. Now, if you want a way to be more involved with all things overlanding, there's also a link to my Patreon group down there. The Patreon group is awesome. We've got a 24/7 Discord where we all kind of chat about our rigs and our gear, and we share memes and jokes and stuff, and it's just a good time. So if that sounds good, check out the Patreon group. There's also a link below this video to my website where I've got funny overlanding camping themed patches and stickers, things like I hate people so I camp, or F people, let's go overlanding, and all things overlanding stickers and patches. So if you want to decorate your rig or your gear or your backpack or whatever, definitely check that link out. And then, of course, last but not least, there's a link to the Newbie Overlanders Facebook page. Now, this group is totally free to join. Tons of awesome people in there, different from the big groups. We don't allow bullying or anything like that. So again, if you're newer to overlanding and you want to learn, or if you're more experienced and you're just tired of the big groups, then that may be a good place for you, and we'd love to have you. But again, definitely check these things out through the link in the description below. Hope that was helpful. And if it was, click that like button and click the subscribe button so that you don't miss any future content. So again, thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you next time.